Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video we will be talking about the classification of DNA viruses. So all or most of the DNA viruses are double-stranded DNA viruses, and there is only one exceptional, and that is parvovirus. The parvovirus is a single-stranded DNA virus. So here all the viruses that are being mentioned, the Papoa, Adeno, Hepatna, Herpes, Pox, they all are double-stranded DNA viruses, while the parvo is a single-stranded DNA viruses. Now the classification that we are going to discuss more in detail is that whether the virus has the envelope or it doesn't has the envelope. So for that, first if we look at the enveloped viruses, so that are the herpes, the hepatitis, and the pox. Now how you're going to remember that the herpes is the enveloped viruses? So for that you can just concentrate on the E after H. So if there is E after H, you guys can ultimately or directly come to the point that this is enveloped viruses. So herpes, the E in the herpes shows that the I am enveloped viruses. The he in the herpes say that I am enveloped viruses. Okay, now in the hepatitis you can see over here is also the E after H. So this E also says that I am enveloped virus. Okay, so here it is clear that if there is E after H, so the E in the herpes and the hepatitis directly divert our mind towards that they must be the enveloped viruses. So it is cleared. Now for pox is also the enveloped viruses, and for that to remember I have the name, a chemical compound. There is a chemical compound name as the epoxy, right? Epoxy is a chemical compound. So E stands for that the pox is enveloped, right? Epoxy. So the pox is enveloped. So the pox virus is also enveloped viruses or included in the enveloped viruses. So this is also cleared. Okay, now I'm going to discuss some important things about from MCQ's point of view, and that is related to the pox virus. So pox virus is the largest virus. Which one virus is the largest? So the pox virus is the largest virus, and most of the viruses, they replicate in the nucleus. It means they required the replicatory machinery and of the host cell, and that is present in the nucleus. So they all replicate in the nucleus. Exceptional is there, and that is the pox virus. It means the pox virus replicate in the cytoplasm. So once again I will repeat, most of the viruses replicate in the nucleus except the pox virus that replicate in the cytoplasm. And for that, remember that the smaller the viral genome, the more the virus must depend on the host cell to provide the functions needed for viral replication. So here if you can relate it to the pox virus, so the pox virus is largest, so the larger the viral genome, so means pox virus has the largest viral genome, and the less it will depend on the host cell to provide the functions needed for its viral replication. Means it will have its own replicative machinery, and therefore they are going to replicate in this cytoplasm. Okay, now moving onwards towards the non-enveloped viruses. So the non-enveloped virus, for that you have to learn two words, pan and purun. Pan. So Papoa, Papoa, right? So Papoa and denotes that it is non-enveloped. So Papoa is non-enveloped DNA viruses. Both Papoa, Adeno, Herpes, Hepatitis, Pox, as I discussed with you previously, that they are double-stranded. It is confirmed they are double-stranded. But Papoa is non-enveloped, and how I get it? I get it from the N, right, in the pan. Okay, Adeno and adeno, right? So it denotes that they are also non-enveloped DNA viruses. Okay, now we have parvovirus. I told you that all other viruses are the double-stranded DNA viruses except the parvovirus, that is single-stranded DNA viruses. Now is the parvovirus enveloped or is it non-enveloped? How you're going to remember that? For that you have to learn the word parun. It means for yesterday we call in Pashto parun, right? So and here denotes that this is non-enveloped, right? In Pashto we called yesterday parun, right? Okay, so and denotes non-enveloped, and I think it's done. So this was all from my side, and if you guys watch my videos, and if you like that, so must subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and hope you like this video as well. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz for now.